So, what are we doing today?
Are you asking me?
Yes.
Moving to a new house.
We've kept it quite quiet and off the channel because, believe it or not, we actually viewed it in July and we're now end of October, pretty much November.
Halloween.
By the time you're seeing this, it'll probably be November. So it's been a very long process and we have actually bought the property. Hence why it's been such a long process, because normally you would just obviously get your contract, sign it, move in, but we thought we'll go one step further into this adulting life and buy it. So we're going to show you our little journey, aren't we?
Yeah.
I'm Abby.
So we are all packed up and leaving my house, which is really, really weird. Matt's driving the van, aren't you?
What was it called?
Ford Transit.
Oh, I thought it was a small thing.
Which has been supplied by my work, so shout out. Bye bye house. It's been fun. So we are actually moved in. This is quite a few days later. What day are we on?
Wednesday.
Wednesday, and we actually moved in on Friday, but obviously it was just hectic, wasn't it? So we're going to give you a little tour. There's a few things that haven't turned up yet, like the wardrobes. You'll see the bedroom is chaos, but should we go give them a tour?
Come on then.
Let's excuse the haircut because you're not going to get one, are you?
Well, lockdown number 2's just started.
Yeah,
Kind of
so,
tomorrow.
which is strange because we were actually supposed to move in this Friday come in. So probably when this video goes live, we were supposed to move in that day, but the top of the chain actually said no, we want everyone to move earlier in case of a lockdown. At the time we were like, oh yeah, okay, whatever. But someone at the top of our chain knows Boris, I'm telling you.
Boris.
Maybe Boris wanted to buy the house, you know. So yeah, let's give you a little tour. Okay, so I'm literally starting with the door. It is a 2-bedroom apartment. And it is actually ours, we bought it. We chose it, we liked it. This is the bedroom, which is probably the worst room. As you can see, we've still got boxes and everything on the floor because we haven't got any wardrobes yet. So it looks quite plain in here, but we have got our bed. Which is really nice, and it was a bargain. The headboard and the base was £200. So winner, winner. Got some curtains up. They are a bit long because I bought these before we actually moved in. But yeah, that looks cute and cozy, doesn't it? We've got a little picture up. It is currently green in here and we'll be changing that, won't we?
Everywhere's green.
Everywhere's green. So yeah, following out, where are we going to go next? In here, oh, Matt's just putting up his little motion sensor lights. Oh, you haven't switched them on?
Yeah, that might be.
We have little motion sensor lights anyway because the landing, like the hallway, is really, really dark. In here, we have just a little cupboard. There's no lights in here, but we have our towels hanging up on a towel rail there. We do want to get another clothes rail at the top so we can use that space, and then get another one at the bottom, but at the moment it's just got all our shoes and bags and everything in it. In here we have our bathroom. So we have a shower. I'm not going to go too much in here because we've just cleaned all the floors. We have our shower in there, and I really like the tiles. It's probably like one of my favourite things about in here. All our, obviously, toiletries and whatnot. Obviously the laundry bin is on the toilet because obviously we've just done all the floors. Matt put this cabinet up yesterday, which is really cute because we had no mirrors, no storage in it whatsoever, hence why there is some like bottles and stuff down here. But this is the bathroom. We also need to get a blind because even though it's like privacy glass, I still feel like people can see your naked bod, basically. We have another cupboard. This one is a lot bigger and it's actually got a light in it. So this is a big home ventilation system that we've got. Obviously that is our boiler, and then in here we've just got random sort of Christmas decorations. Toilet rolls we haven't bulk buyed. Well, we have bulk buyed, but we haven't done it for lockdown. We're just, you know, Costco.
That's the size they are in Costco.
Yeah, and you save money buying them in bulk. So yeah, just random, not rubbish, but just random like the hoovers in there, etc. Do you want to talk about this room?
This is my room.
This is obviously the spare room. And this is going to be...
Games room.
Pending.
Eventually.
So he's obviously
More
got his,
storage.
he's got his little desk.
Yeah, I can have TV and...
TV is going to probably go up on the wall. Obviously
Xbox
Scirocco's
in
up
it.
there. Here we've got little, like, obviously our little car collection bit. There's like a little cool star projector that goes on the ceiling. So it's going to be really cool, like,
It's just gonna be
vibe in here. Little boy,
it's
like,
just a
man
typical
cave.
Games nerds room.
Yeah. So at the moment it's also being used for washing. That's our heated area that our washing goes on. So yes, Matt is well chuffed, and just saying, I'm the best girlfriend for letting him have a games room. Don't think he realises how lucky that he is. Anyway, moving on. We have our kitchen. So obviously hob, extractor fan, oven, loads and loads of cupboards. We have a hole there because we're not 100% sure. Matt's just put on his fancy lights, I've literally just noticed. We've got a hole there because I think they did have a dishwasher there, but I think we're gonna get a fridge freezer. So yeah, just a freezer. Just so we can obviously have a little bit more food. Washing machine, all our like kettle and all that sort of stuff. Our microwave, which was a present. Fridge, freezer, which we chose all black for in this room because eventually we want to wrap all of these cupboards in like a nice black sort of colour. Yeah, and this cupboard's really cool. Got like a massive, like, I guess, pantry. So that's huge in there. So yeah, we're still not 100% like settled in yet. Excuse the fluff on the floor. My slippers are like shedding fluff. So this is our living room, which is quite big. Wanted this little area as a little bar type thing.
Dining table, bar.
Yeah, just a little area we can sit and have our dinner without losing too much space. The sofa we got given, didn't we?
Yeah, Mum and Dad gave that.
So we was really lucky. We just bought our own like cushions to sort of make it our own.
Blue wall is going. Obviously.
That's going.
To be fair, it doesn't look awful.
No, it just doesn't really match. We want like a really warm, like brown sort of tone in here. Yeah. Obviously coffee table. Oh, I've got hiccups. With all our rubbish on it. Little TV down here, which eventually we want to put the TV there and put it on the wall so it's a bit more sort of centre points. And we've got our curtains which arrived yesterday. Amazon. So shout out. And yeah, we're getting there. There's a lot we still want to get and a lot we still want to do.
Like your car's parked out on the road.
Yeah, my car's, I don't think you'll even be able to see it. Might be too bright. My car's over there. To be honest, we just can't really wait to sort of, just stand that way, yeah. We can't sort of wait to get like painting and decorating and ordering more furniture, because like, a lot of this stuff we had before, like obviously we saw the place twice, but obviously that's not very long to sort of size up, measure things, everything like that. But yeah, we're actually homeowners. This little home is ours for the time being. I don't really know what else to say.
My coffee machine?
Obviously, yes, 2-bedroom. Obviously, 1 bedroom's being used for the games room. We do own it, so we do have sort of, you know, we can do what we want. If we want to put stuff on the walls, we can. We don't have to ask anybody. It means we're in debt for the next like 25 plus years, which is fab. But yeah, that's pretty much it, isn't it?
Yes.
Obviously, we just didn't show a lot of moving day because we was just knackered, weren't we? He still is. We literally didn't get the keys till 1:30. The van had to be back by 6. It was just chaos. And then at the end of like, luckily we had quite a few people come around and help us. Luckily we weren't in lockdown by that point. We had quite a lot of help to just clean the place, get the place ready for us. And that is it. So hopefully we'll be able to show you a few more videos sooner of like just bits that we get up to and bits that we like do. I don't know. I feel like obviously the channel's not really just going to be based on cars now, which is quite sad, but we're older now. But yeah, that is all. So this is where we live. Over and